OOCL is a pioneer in terms of leveraging technology, and you are right now transforming like most companies. We have a partnership together around AI. You worked with our Microsoft research arms here in Greater China, and you are bringing AI and deep learning into a solution to help you improve your operation. So can you tell us a little bit more about?
I think this is very interesting to have a chance to work with Microsoft Research Asia in Beijing. And because we have been working on machine learning, we have been working on some simple AI program, but it's only now that we have chance to work with the researcher into really deep learning space. And it's really different, which is not a bottom-up learning approach, it's more a top-down, build a training system to continue to improve the AI. So we would like to seek opportunity that we would deliver world-class service. And so working with Microsoft is a kind of pleasure.
And so Microsoft, we're also going through a big transformation. You know, we move from being more of a desktop company to a cloud, data and AI business. How do you see those technology helping you create a different environment for yourself and also for your customers?
My first engagement with Microsoft Research Asia, that they start to talk about user experience, business model and technology, that I think exactly is the right strategy to look at and add together the recent Microsoft big shift in the strategy. That I think the user experience portion and to be able to understand business, that is really, really key. I think the underlying technology is essential, but the company would be able to understand, appreciate these three dimensions come together to deliver solution. I think that's the right way to go.
We thought it was fundamental to bring the security piece into the mix. And so we created another solution called M365. And what's your take on the position of OOCL in terms of adopting such integrated solution, taking security into the com and collab world?
The mobile security that not in the scope previously, and we are enforcing user training, but then this space really need to be addressed, and is actually quite risky when you see business now is anywhere, anytime. This becomes very important to support as an underlying infrastructure to enable digital transformation. I think that's a really critical one. That's why we are very focused to look at not only for internal communications or internal collaborations that we are leveraging Microsoft technology. We are also looking at how we connect to the outside, and we are transforming our call center into omni-channel approach. And that's where we put so much emphasis on AI, because that's going to be the ultimate level to make the differentiation. This is the area that Microsoft developed this strategy very well to inline, and I think with the good foundation of the desktop strategy to the infrastructure security, we live in a space that we cannot get disconnect. And so how we would be in a safe environment that we can work comfortably and have good productivity. And so I think this is the right direction to go. Have a good partner to understand, and with the history of doing enterprise computing, I think Microsoft is one of the few that could do the job.
A set of framework around the world that are starting to come up, and one of the largest one is the one from Europe called GDPR. And as you are a global company, you operate in I think more than 70 countries. It's important to see how we can help and use technology in order to be compliant with GDPR. How do you work with companies like Microsoft to make sure that we implement that as fast as possible to be up and running?
I appreciate very much with the Microsoft legal departments that they have been facing issues around the world, and so they accumulate the experience to look at things, and it's very helpful to be able to bridge the gap between our own legal department and your legal department, and not only on the contract, but beyond the contract, and look at how different angle to address this type of problem on compliance. That is very helpful. For example, that when we need to deal with AI and need to put protection, between two companies, that's totally new. So I think the legal team from Microsoft very open-minded and really try to solve problems, address problems. I think that is quite unique, and even our legal department would enjoy that conversation.